Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to do revision of letter A, B and C. So, let's start. Which letter is this? This is A. Which letter? A. And A says A. A says A. A says A. And which tree is this? It is an apple tree. Look, you can see apples hanging on the tree. Apple. Apple. And which picture is this? Aeroplane. 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 And what is this? Ant. What is it? Ant. Ant. And where is ant standing? On the apple. It is standing on the apple. She also want to eat apple. And which picture is this? What is it? This is an arrow. What is it? Arrow. This is arrow, right? This is arrow showing indicator. Okay. Arrow. Arrow. Now come to the next picture. Next letter. Which letter is this? B. B says B. What is this? B. And B says B. Now look at here. One boy is here. Boy. B, boy. And what is in his hand? Bat. B, bat. And look, a small baby is also there in a cradle, right? So B, baby. B, baby. And what else is here? What is this? Bee, yellow bee, right? And bee say, what is the sound in bee? Bee, bee. And look here, what is this? Boy is playing with bat and ball. Bee, ball. And what is this? Bird. Bee, bird. And what is this? On the bench, B, bench. B, balloon. And what is this on the bench? Red color. This one. This is a book. B, book. And what is this? B, banana. And this is B, box. Repeat. B, book. B, banana. B, box. B, bench. This is bench. And what is this? Butterfly. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. Now come to the next letter. Which letter is this? C. What is this? C. C, clock. Do you have clock at your home? Yes. C, clock. C. And what is the sound of letter C? C, clock. And what is this? C, camel. C, camel. And what is this? It is a cat. Look. Cat is celebrating her birthday, right? Look the picture carefully. What is this? Cat. And what cat is wearing? Cap. So, seek a cat, seek a cap. And what is this? Yummy, yummy, tasty, tasty. Cake. What is this? Cake. So, seek a cake. And what is on the cake? Candle. Seek a candle. And what is this? camera. What is it? Camera. C, camera. And look here. What is this? C, cup. C, cup. And what is it? Candy. Do you like to have candy? Yes, I do like. And look, what is this? Carrot. C, carrot. Now we are going to do the exercise. Look here, matching. We have revised all the pictures. Now we are going to match it. Okay, tell me which picture is this? Arrow. Which picture? Arrow. And when we are saying arrow, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is A. And A is the sound of which letter? This one, this or this? A. Arrow. So match it with letter A like this. Now which picture is this? B. And B starts with which sound? B. And B is the sound of which letter? Again B. So B, B. Where is B here? This one. So let's match it with B. Which picture is this? Candle. Which picture? Candle. Candle starts with which sound? K. And K is the sound of letter C. So now we are going to match candle with letter C like this. So I hope you have understood it very well and you are going to follow all my instructions. So that's all from my side today. Bye-bye.